So this one is a wild creation. Kool-Aid vodka snow cones. Ooh, look at this. Ooh! You wonder how we did that? Magic, homeboy. That's right. Okay, David Copperfield showed us that one. Ice in the blender, come behind with a little bit of Vladimir Putin. Okay. Followed by some triple sec. Yes. A little bit of lemon lime soda. Pour that in. So this is a very simple mix that we have going on here. And the reason is because we're turning this into snow cone. So, okay, so that's our snow cone. All right, now you can eat that as is because there's vodka in it, so it's spiked. And there's some lemon lime soda in it, so it's not gonna be bitter. So it's snow cone-ish, but we wanna take this to the next level. So how do we do that? Watch this. We grab Kool-Aid, right? And then we sprinkle it on. Yeah, okay. Just to give it a little bit of color. Putting these streaks on the sides. Cool. You don't use a lot of Kool-Aid because remember now, Kool-Aid without sugar and water is pretty damn bitter. Okay, but you got a nice little mix going on there.